The HP LaserJet-Tank MFP 2604sdw is a monochrome all-in-one laser printer designed for small to medium-sized businesses seeking high-volume printing with low cost per page. Its innovative toner tank system and wireless capabilities make it a versatile and efficient choice for modern work environments. High-volume printing with low cost per page. This printer comes pre-filled with up to 2 years worth of original HP toner, allowing users to print up to 5,000 monochrome pages without the need for frequent refills. The refillable toner tank system reduces waste and offers the lowest cost per page in black and white printing. Fast and high-quality printing. The HP LaserJet-Tank MFP 2604sdw delivers print speeds of up to 23 pages per minute (ppm) on letter-sized paper and up to 22 ppm on A4 paper. It provides a print resolution of up to 600 to 600 dpi, ensuring sharp and clear text for professional quality documents. Efficient scanning and copying. Equipped with a 40-sheet automatic document feeder, ADF, this printer simplifies multi-page scanning and copying tasks. The flatbed scanner offers hardware resolution up to 600 x 1200 dpi, capturing detailed images and text. It supports various scan formats, including JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and PDF, wireless connectivity, and mobile printing. The HP LaserJet-Tank MFP 2604sdw supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.45 GHz, and Bluetooth Low Energy BLE for seamless wireless connectivity. Users can print, scan, and copy from their smartphones or tablets using the HP Smart App, Apple AirPrint TM, Mopria TM Certified, and Wi-Fi Direct. Robust security features. To protect sensitive information, the printer includes HP Wolf Essential Security, which safeguards passwords, gets scans and prints, and helps keep the network secure from unauthorized access. Durable and sustainable design. Designed for high-volume printing, the HP LaserJet-Tank MFP 2604sdw features a robust build capable of handling a monthly duty cycle of up to 25,000 pages. Its Energy Star, our certification and EPE tier silver rating, reflect its commitment to energy efficiency and environmental sustainability. In summary, the HP LaserJet-Tank MFP 2604sdw offers a cost-effective, high-performance solution for businesses requiring reliable monochrome printing, scanning, and copying capabilities. Its innovative toner tank system, fast printing speeds, and robust security features make it a valuable asset for modern workplaces.